Welcome back to Gear Grinders, your ultimate destination for everything dirt biking. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting comebacks in the off-road world, the all-new 2025 Kawasaki KX500 dirt bike. With Kawasaki bringing this beast back to the market, it promises to be a game changer. If you've been waiting for the return of one of the most iconic dirt bikes in motocross history, you'll want to stick around. Design and build. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 has been redesigned to meet the demands of modern riders while keeping the aggressive spirit of its predecessors. It's built with a lightweight, reinforced frame that enhances durability and strength, allowing you to take on any terrain with confidence. The aggressive design, highlighted by sharp lines and a bold green color scheme, makes it clear this bike is ready to perform at the highest level. It's a true off-road powerhouse, built to last through intense riding conditions. Engine and performance. One of the standout features of the KX500 is its 499cc, two-stroke engine. Kawasaki has optimized the engine for both high power output and smooth throttle response. With an upgraded ignition system and improved fuel delivery, the KX500 offers even better performance than before. The raw power of the engine allows you to tackle tough terrain, steep hills, and deep mud with ease. Paired with a 5-speed transmission, this bike offers exceptional control, making it perfect for both experienced riders and those looking to step up their game. Suspension and handling. The KX500 features premium suspension components, including a fully adjustable 49mm KYB inverted fork and a uni-track rear shock. These provide superior handling and a smooth, controlled ride over rough and unpredictable trails. Whether you're hitting high-speed straights or tackling tight corners, the KX500's suspension allows you to push the bike to its limits without compromising comfort or control. Technology and features. Kawasaki has equipped the 2025 KX500 with a new, advanced digital display that provides essential data like speed, lap times, and engine diagnostics. This makes tracking your performance easier, whether you're racing or just having fun on the trails. Additionally, the bike is engineered with improved ergonomics, ensuring that riders can spend long hours riding without feeling fatigued. The KX500's cockpit is designed to provide maximum comfort and control during all types of rides. Conclusion. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is a thrilling return to the classic two-stroke power, updated with modern technology and design. With a high-performance engine, advanced suspension, and new tech features, this bike is set to take the off-road world by storm. If you're a fan of aggressive riding and motocross, the KX500 is a must-consider machine. Don't forget to subscribe to Gear Grinders for more updates, reviews, and all things dirt bikes. Catch you on the trails.